Hello and welcome. Today we're going to show you a Swiss ball crunch, and the shout goes out to Dominica, our lovely assistant. Hi Dominica. Alright, Dominica is going to put her fingertips on her mastoid process. She's going to completely extend her torso, allow her neck to relax, and then flex the neck until her chin comes up to her chest. And then do a complete crunch, which is right about there, and then return. Boom. 30% of the rectus abdominis is used in hyperextension. So if you're doing crunches from the floor, you're missing out on six-pack abs. This message is brought to you by Form and Function.